साउथ दिल्ली वाले एक्सेंट में बात करके दिखा सकते हो जैसे साउथ दिल्ली वाले लोग बात करते हैं?
Oh my God, done. No worries, yeah. So, like, tell me
That's
what's on your
really
mind.
the accent,
You want to
right?
talk about like work or like something else entirely? I'm like totally up for anything.
Travel is operating at a global. So what is the tactic to deal with the particular areas somewhere?
India की market is different, US market is different, UAE market is different in terms of the customers' expectations and their procedures and the way they work.
Being the managing director, what do you think is the most effective or the most necessary job in a company?
Two sets of people that I think are most valuable इसके अंदर, that is one is the product development team जो आपके विजन को लाइफ लेकर आती है. सेकेंड आई थिंक इज सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग. सेल्स स्पेशली उसके अंदर भी, क्योंकि सेल्स अगर आपके पास नहीं होंगे तो आपके पास पैसे कैसे आएंगे?
Okay viewers, welcome back to Ravan.ai. एंड आज हमारे साथ एक बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट, एंड वो स्पेशल इसीलिए है क्योंकि एट द एज ऑफ 20, तुमने सही सुना, एट द एज ऑफ 20 शी हैज बिल्ड मल्टीपल एआई बिजनेसेस. एट द टाइम जब एआई बूम कर रहा है, वो ऑलरेडी बहुत सारे एआई ऑटोमेशंस, एआई सिस्टम्स और एआई मॉडल्स बना चुकी है. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट तुम्हें पता है इसके बारे में, शी इज नॉट इवन फ्रॉम अ टेक बैकग्राउंड. टुडे विद अस वी हैव मन्नत चड्ढा, द मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ Ravan.ai. हेलो मन्नत, हाउ आर यू?
Hi Rakshit, I'm good. How are you?
I'm quite well, and I really have a question in my mind. I like it's really okay. So, how did you build the whole thing at the age of 20? Literally, like you are working on the whole system, and I know you are not from a tech background,
Yes.
and building something in AI without being from a tech background.
So I started when I was I think 17, 16 or 17. So उस time पे you don't have resources, you don't have that skill set, you don't have any experience. The only thing that can help you is your vision and your idea, and that is what I believed in, and the other partners of the company believed in, that we had to write vision, and we got some really good people who helped us out to bring this to life, bring Ravan to life.
That's really a great thing. Like having a great team is an absolute blessing. So, but I'm a bit curious. Like a team is built by the people you choose, but there are certain sections in which you hire people to perform certain tasks in a company. And as being the managing director, what do you think is the most effective or the most necessary job, I must say, in a company or in your consider?
Okay, so I think see jobs तो सारी valuable होती हैं, because you know every person, I think every company is built on their people, and people are the best asset. It is the team जो पूरी companies को बड़ा भी बनाती है. They build the companies, so everybody is equally valuable. But there are two people, like two sets of people that I think are most valuable इसके अंदर. That is one is the product development team जो आपके vision को life लेकर आती है. Because if you don't have somebody to execute that, then it is a waste, right? Everybody has ideas, but you need execution. So that is one. Second, I think is, which is more important, is sales and marketing. सेल्स स्पेशली उसके अंदर भी, क्योंकि सेल्स अगर आपके पास नहीं होंगे तो आपके पास पैसे कैसे आएंगे? देन हाउ विल यू बिल्ड द बैक एंड एंड हाउ विल यू डेवलप द प्रोडक्ट्स बेटर, राइट? सो सेल्स इज वेरी क्रूशियल.
That's and really good insight. Like the sales team would basically get you the business and everything. And regarding that only, so like you are just 20 years old, and there would be many young viewers viewing this podcast. So I'm considering if I was 20 at your age, and like I would put it in two scenarios basically. Okay, if there is a condition that I'm 20 years old and I have a few amount of capital through my pocket money and savings or something, and there is a condition I don't have a capital. So being a 20-year-old at today's time, what should I do to start a business right?
See, if you have, so there are two cases. One is that you have some capital. So if you have some capital, then you can start any business of manufacturing कर सकते हो. It is not necessary that you go for AI. You can go in manufacturing sector. या फिर even in AI, you can develop a software. You can hire people. So through connections आप hire कर सकते हो. अगर आप स्कूल में हो तो हो सकता है आपके पास connections ना हो, but you will have your parents, friends या फिर friend circle में उनके parents होंगे जो किसी इंडस्ट्री में हो, so they can guide you. That is something that you can do. Otherwise you can do some courses जिसके साथ आप उस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में आप सीख सकते हो और उसको फिर execute कर सकते हो. There are so many courses of entrepreneurship that you can get online, so you can learn from there. Otherwise, if you don't have capital, then there are multiple things that you can still do. One is that you can do sales for some other company. Like for example, there are a lot of startups in India also, and even worldwide, so you can connect with them, you can understand their product, and sales is a very important skill because अगर आपने sales सीख लिया तो आपने almost सब कुछ सीख लिया, product development आपको सब कुछ पता चल जाता है कि commercials क्या होते हैं, customer के साथ कैसे engage करते हैं, everything. So sales आप कर सकते हो in a way that you connect with that startup or that company and say कि आप उसकी marketing और sales करोगे. That is one thing that you can do. Otherwise, if you have very less capital, let's say less than 50,000 or 10,000 कुछ ऐसा capital है, तो आप किसी का product खुद ले सकते हो and you sell it on their names, and you're not a sales agent for them, but you are like a distributor to them. So you are working independently, company आपकी अलग से ही है, but आप उनका ही product आगे market में sell कर रहे हो with little markup, or maybe they give you at a discounted price and you gain some money at the market price. So that is the second thing. Otherwise, I think the best for this era and इस time में आप जो कर सकते हो वो है कि आप white label करो. So even we had some sister companies, some of them are called CloserX.ai, Snowy.ai. So these are basically softwares जो पूरे बने होते हैं, पूरे platforms, they are designed very well, और उसको आप easily आपको सिर्फ sell करना है. Product is very well made. You just need to get people and you need to sell it. So you can get these softwares. इसमें क्या होता है? You'll have to pay like subscription every month. So that can be $29, which is around 3,000 रुपये, उससे कम ही है. 3,000 रुपये के करीब you are paying to that company, and then you can rebrand it अपने कंपनी के हिसाब से. So if your company name is ABC, तो वो प्रोडक्ट अब आपकी कंपनी के अंडर आ जाएगा. और जैसे वो आपकी कंपनी के अंडर आएगा, अब किसी को आप क्लाइंट के पास जाते तो उन्हें नहीं पता होगा कि ये हमने बनाया. लाइक यू वोंट नो दैट रावण हैज मेड दिस, they would know and they would think that ABC company has made this. So that is the best solution. क्योंकि आप सिर्फ 3,000 दे रहे हो, बट आप अपने क्लाइंट के पास जाओगे तो आप उसको you can sell it for $200, $300, so almost 20,000, 30,000 rupees per month. और इसमें मिनट्स का भी होता है. ये मैं अपनी इंडस्ट्री के बारे में बता रही हूँ कि हमारे में मिनट्स का भी होता है. सो पे एज यू गो प्लान होता है, वेर इन दैट दे आर पेइंग फॉर सब्सक्रिप्शन, but with that you have to pay per minute of usage also. In my industry, because I work in voice AI, so we have voice per minute. Otherwise आपको similar कुछ और चीजें मिल सकते हैं per usage, ऐसे SMS, email, कुछ और हो सकता है. हाँ, multiple services के लिए आप कर सकते हो. It depends on industry to industry. So this is a better solution. इसमें आपका कंपनी का ब्रांड नेम भी बन रहा है, प्रोडक्ट आपको बना बनाया मिल रहा है. You just have to focus on selling. That is it. आप सेल्स लेकर आओ, बेचो आप प्रोडक्ट को. आपने प्रोडक्ट को बेचो, आपके पास पैसे आए 15,000, आपने 3,000 कंपनी को दे दिए, जिससे आपने लिया, आपका ब्रांड भी बन गया. फिर जैसे जैसे आप स्केल करते हो, आप ज़्यादा क्लाइंट्स लेकर आते हो, फिर इन दैट केस आप अपना फिर टीम स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. अपना अकाउंट्स के लिए किसी को रख सकते हो, सेल्स के लिए और लोगों को रख सकते हो, मार्केटिंग के लिए, ऐसे फिर आप इंक्रीज कर सकते हो.
You can increase your work.
Yes, that is.
So I guess that was absolutely good cheat code for like youngsters. They can just apply it and get through the things. And the mention of CloserX and Snowy as well. I guess the people can go and just try those platforms out on their own. And coming to this only, like there is so much buzz around the AI. Like everyone is trying to enter or has entered the AI thing. But certain people consider that AI is still a bubble. कि ये सब कुछ is not real or not sustaining. It would burst someday. So what's your opinion on this as a founder?
See, I think bubble तो बिल्कुल नहीं है. Anybody who thinks that it is a bubble, I think they are sitting in a bubble. Bubble नहीं है इसलिए because I have been in this industry, like I said, कि almost 4 years मेरे को इस space में हो गया. Plus AI में 2-3 years तो हो ही गया. And I have seen like very big enterprises, even like enterprises इनका millions of dollars का revenue होता है. Plus government organizations, government का जो public sector undertakings है, all these companies and all these organizations, they are understanding कि इसका कितना relevance है. And that is because कि जब आप AI को implement करते हो तो आपकी जो efficiency होती है that increases. Right? So any organization would want to have that. So it is not a bubble. It is not कि आपने एक temporary कोई चीज लगा दी है, कोई install कर लिया या hire कर लिया और फिर कुछ short term का आपको gain दे रहा है. This is for long term. This is revolutionizing a lot of things. Like I'll give you one example. So जैसे हम अभी real estate में सबसे ज़्यादा काम करते हैं, तो व्हेन वी सी इन रियल एस्टेट पहले प्रॉब्लम क्या आती थी कि जब भी कोई लीड्स कॉल करती थी, वन थिंग दैट यू विल सी इज दैट पीपल मोस्टली कॉल आफ्टर 6 PM और 7 PM। क्या क्योंकि वो ऑफिस टाइमिंग्स होते हैं, उसके बाद ही वो लाइक कॉल करते हैं टू बाय अ प्रॉपर्टी, राइट? बट उस टाइम पे एजेंट्स अवेलेबल नहीं होते थे। तो इनफॉर्मल सेक्टर में तो फिर भी होते हैं, बट इफ यू सी फॉर्मल कंपनीज, उनमें नहीं होते, उनका वर्क टाइमिंग्स होता है। सो देयर हाउ वुड यू लाइक एंगेज विद द लीड जो इंटरेस्टेड है? आप उनके साथ कैसे कम्युनिकेट करोगे और उनको कन्वर्ट कैसे करोगे? सो दैट प्रॉब्लम AI इज सॉल्विंग। AI कभी भी 24/7 इट इज वर्किंग, इट इज पिकिंग अप दोस इनबाउंड कॉल्स या फिर क्वेरीज आ रही है, उसको वो पिकअप कर रहा है, आंसर कर रहा है, and it's seeing that lead is interested or not in qualifying that lead, and then उनके साथ एक side visit schedule कर रहा है during the timings when the human sales agent is available. So now इससे क्या हुआ, like even our customer, one of our customers, he saw that उसका 25% से 35% तक increase हुआ है conversions में।
That's really impressive. Like,
Yeah.
open growth of like 5% to 10%.
Exactly. तो 25% अगर आप देखो तो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है। Plus 1 month में they were able to sell 3 properties just through AI.
And that completely depending on AI. More
Yeah.
unit.
It was just completely through AI. Site visit था उसके अंदर, but the initial process was through AI, and AI अभी भी खुद से भी कर सकता है, but of course you need like either a virtual tour और या फिर एक live tour जाके property का
I
sample
guess
का।
with the, so okay, that's really interesting that the organizations are able to use that. But I guess in the near future it will be more implemented and more integrated into the function, right?
No, I think it has already been implemented. So हम तो almost 1.5 साल, 2 साल से implement कर चुके हैं वही से आगे। It has been, I think, more than 1 year. And not just us, but a lot of people, a lot of organizations have already implemented. I think it is the people जिनको लगता है कि ये अभी implement नहीं हुआ या फिर future में होगा, but AI is working like any other human highly, और वो पूरा काम कर रहा है हर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में। ऑलमोस्ट एवरी बिग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में तो एटलीस्ट दे हैव इनकॉर्पोरेटेड AI इन एनी वे। सो या मे बी सर्च के लिए या फिर सर्च इंजन के लिए तो हम यूज ही करते हैं, बट अदरवाइज वॉइस है ऑल्सो, लॉट ऑफ देम हैव ऑलरेडी इनकॉर्पोरेटेड एंड दे आर ऑलरेडी यूजिंग।
So I guess the people who are thinking AI is a bubble, उनका आज bubble burst हो गया होगा
हाँ,
through
वो
this
तो
information.
because it's been a very long time, people have been using and they are seeing the results too. And I'm not saying because I'm from Ravan.ai and I'm not trying to promote that, but it is genuinely, if you see any other organization also, they're using it.
Like it's becoming the essential part.
It is like a new role in a company. जैसे हर कंपनी में अच्छा चाहिए होता है, वैसे आपको अब AI के लिए भी, AI को चलाने के लिए भी लोग चाहिए, प्लस आपको AI भी चाहिए in the company in any form, and it is applicable in every industry. So even in the industry that you think that इसमें तो नहीं होगा, but उनमें भी होता है AI.
Yeah, you raised a very fair question. Like it clicked into my mind when you put down this season. Like as you mentioned that it would be taking the role of the HR or something. So there's a fear among people and the society as well. कि जैसे computers आए थे तो काफी सारी jobs चली गई थी. But computers के आने के बाद काफी सारी नई jobs भी create हुई थी.
Right.
But AI is so powerful, so engaging and so capable कि वो humans की job को replace तो कर ही रहा है. It's like displacing the jobs for sure. But are there chances कि rather than a job displacement, AI is creating job destruction? So like, what's your opinion or view on that?
So for this, see, jobs अभी के लिए तो I won't say कि वो ज़्यादा replace कर रहा है। अभी तो एक एडिशन ही हो रहा है, जैसे डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का एक वो वेव आया है और आया भी था पहले। सो एवरी कंपनी इज ऑप्टेड फॉर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग के न्यू पीपल, दे आर हायरिंग दैट एंड इवन आउटसोर्सिंग इट टू एजेंसीज। तो अभी AI का वो वेव चल रहा है wherein people or these organizations are hiring some more people who can help with AI, प्लस या फिर अदरवाइज दे आउटसोर्सिंग है। तो इसमें कोई जॉब रिप्लेस नहीं हो रहा है, इसके अंदर ऐड हो रही है, कुछ न्यू वैल्यू ऐड हो रही है। वो भी इसलिए हो रही है क्योंकि AI एफिशिएंसी लाइक आई सेड इंक्रीज करता है, तो जो आपका काम करने की स्पीड है विच कैन बी एनीथिंग। सो इवन एक कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट को मॉनिटर करने के लिए जो स्पीड है वो इंक्रीज हो रही है क्योंकि अब आप अच्छे से ट्रैक कर पा रहे हो। एक HR है, वो जो पहले एप्लीकेशंस को फिल्टर आउट करने में टाइम लगाता था, अब इट कैन डू इन मिनट्स एंड इवन डेज बिकॉज AI क्वालिफाई कर रहा है सारे लीड्स को कॉल कर करके and then the HR is now concentrating only on a very good candidate. So that way it is increasing the speed of the work. So हाँ, तो अभी jobs as such replace नहीं हो रही, but definitely I think within like 5-7 years, at least 5 years में you, or maybe in 3 years also, you never know, because AI हर हफ्ते कुछ ना कुछ होता है and every day you get updates. So I think in that way 5-7 years में तो replace होगा, but not HRs, but maybe those people जो machine work कर रहे हैं. Machine work का मतलब है एक ही चीज को बार बार करना, like ऐसे होता है ना,
automated work,
हाँ,
repeated work.
yes, repeated जो work होता है. For example कि पहला step ये है, second step ये है, third step है, तो that AI can learn and AI can replicate that very easily. तो उसके लिए फिर किसी human की जरूरत नहीं होगी. बट जो थिंकिंग एबिलिटी के वर्क होते हैं, या फिर जहाँ पे इनोवेशन चाहिए होता है, इमेजिनेशन चाहिए, विजन, क्रिएटिविटी, यहाँ पे फॉर श्योर AI cannot replace as of now, and even in 5-6 years it will take some time, क्योंकि वो ह्यूमन का कॉम्पिटेंस अभी वो मैच नहीं कर रहा है.
So yeah, like I think you're saying absolutely right, and sooner or later people would have to adapt to AI in the near future, because the automated or the repeated tasks, labor tasks, would be replaced by AI. I guess. So
हाँ,
people will be
definitely.
adapting it in the future life, right?
Right, so it is not in the future actually. अभी start हो चुका है, and it's been more than a year that people have already started adapting, even big organizations. So it is important even for students, I would say, that they start learning about AI, because I think after like probably a year or so, you will be able to see that AI एक skill type बन जाएगा. Like for example, every person needs to understand finance, right? So and even like any language, English समझना, maths basic आना. So similarly आपको AI use करना भी, वो आपको basics उसके आने चाहिए. तो yeah, I think they'll have to eventually adapt to it, and the sooner you adapt, the better you can become, and the better work you can do with much more speed. Because even like I'll take an example. So जैसे cars आए थे तो उससे speed increase हो गई है ना, transportation की. Telephone आया, mobile phones आए तो उससे communication की speed increase हो गई. So AI is now helping in a lot of things. So a lot of organizations के work का भी speed increase करना, and other stuff too, even in personal life, to understand more. It is like a god कि आपके पास almost like god कि आप किसी से suggestion ले लो, like if not god, but probably you could say कि you have a consultant or an assistant one-to-one जो होता है. So yeah, you can take advices also from that.
That's, I guess, a thing which every new student or person should integrate
Yes.
into their CV, because it would be a compulsion necessity to survive, I guess, in the future.
That is right.
Yeah, so like it's a lot about AI, and now let's shift it towards personally knowing you. So as much as I know about you, like you are not just operating in India. You have global branches through CloserX, Snowy, Agni, and Out, right?
Yeah.
And through that, like you're managing multiple teams. So as a person, you are also at really young at 20s, and you're managing like global teams. So the issue is like keep managing one team is difficult, but managing 3 to 4 teams, different time zones, different countries. So what do you think are the necessary skills to maintain those teams or to sustain that ecosystem to work in a particular manner? And what you personally do to manage the whole thing?
See, managing teams across different time zones, of course, is very hectic. So for one person to do it, it becomes difficult. It is not that we don't do it. We do it ourselves too, because it is a startup, so you have to focus on everything. So definitely, like we work for longer hours. We work like more than I think 12-14 hours, and even sometimes more. So you have to put in that kind of time. But other than that, I would say delegation is the key for management. हर चीज आप खुद नहीं कर सकते हो. Initially आपको हर चीज खुद करनी पड़ेगी, but after some time you'll have to delegate. So आपको अपने जैसे replicas बनाने पड़ेंगे. You won't be able to, like, of course you can't replicate fully. किसी और को अपना skills transfer नहीं कर सकते हो. But you can have somebody, some other people who you can trust on. Plus जो इतना skill सीख चुके हैं, इतना almost इतना सीख चुके हैं that they can continue, and they can manage and have those leadership skills. So that is important. And then after some time you can delegate it to people.
Yeah, so like to find people with the right skills so that you can get them into the right department and the whole system works.
Yes, so you train them first. सबसे पहले आप खुद से तुम्हें train करो. Then when they work, like after 6-8 months, you'll be able to see that इनमें से कौन अच्छा कर रहा है. And then you make them, give them, if they have that leadership quality, then you give them that autonomy to head. Yes.
That's quite
Then that will
interesting.
help you.
Like making something global, like sustaining into a particular ecosystem or particular region, we understand the region. Like अगर आप इंडिया में स्किन करो तो आप इंडियन मार्केट को समझते हो. आपको समझ आता है कि okay, this is the audience, these are the kind of consumption patterns or everything. कि Ravan is operating at a global. So what is the tactic to deal with the particular areas of it? And especially I'm focused, like you, as you also mentioned, and you also believe in that sales is a really important part of your business.
Right.
So managing sales at a global level in different consumer type, different set of areas, different regions, different languages, and different kind of people requirement. So how do you fulfill that?
See, I think for sales in different markets, you have to understand the market first. Any market you'll have to understand. India ki market is different, US market is different, UAE market is different. So all these kinds of markets are properly, like, they are different in terms of the customer's expectations and their procedures and the way they work. So these are the things that differ. And इसमें से सबसे ज़्यादा होता है customer की expectations. Now, if you want to excel in those markets, so it will take you time because you need to understand कि उनकी market क्या है. तो हो सकता है आप initially deals close ना कर पाओ, but you don't have to give up on that. That is the key. If you give up, then there's no point, right? So even with us that happened. So in Indian market, पहले we started off with Canada. वहाँ पे हमने, I'll give you like a brief journey of ours also to explain this. That we started off in Canada with digital marketing. पहले हम digital marketing करते थे. फिर उस टाइम पे हमने कनाडा के जो रियल एस्टेट एजेंट्स हैं उनका प्रॉब्लम्स को समझा. Then we understood that they need chatbots, AI chatbots, because they're unable to follow up with leads. So then we moved on to AI chatbots when AI also came into the market. So then we adapted to that. And then with chatbots, we moved out of Canada. We moved to global markets, and we had customers from US, Australia, Middle East also. So many areas we started to capture. तो धीरे धीरे करके वो प्रोग्रेस हुआ. बट क्योंकि हमारे पास कनाडा की मार्केट का एक्सपीरियंस था तो US was similar. But Australia ka working was different because of the time zone also and because of the procedures too. So we had to learn that. And gradually then we started with AI voice bots, and then we launched it in Middle East too, plus in India. So वो सबका different ही रहता है हमेशा. आपको सीखने के लिए at least you'll have to give like 3 to 6 months at least, जिसमें आपको समझ में आएगा customer क्या चाह रहा है आपसे. But I think the fundamentals जो सबके लिए सेम होते हैं, जो मेरे एक्सपीरियंस है, जो मैं 4 साल काम कर रही हूँ, वो ये है कि you have to understand the customer's requirement. If you understand their requirements, if you understand clearly कि वो चाहते क्या है आपसे, what are their expectations and what are the solutions that they want from you, plus वो अभी जैसे work कर रहे हैं natively, उनके जो legacy systems है वो already जो work कर रहे हैं उसके साथ आपके systems कैसे deploy हो सकते हैं. तो अगर आप वो समझ लो, then you'll be able to understand. I think 40-50% आपका वो deal crack हो ही जाएगी, उससे ज़्यादा ही हो जाएगी. बट ये मुझे गैप लगता है, बाकी मैं कॉम्पिटिटर्स को भी देखती हूँ तो उनमें यही मुझे गैप कहीं ना कहीं काफ़ी कंपनीज में भी लगता है. एंड इवन विथ माई टीम मेंबर्स हु आर नॉट एबल टू सेल इन अ गुड वे, या फिर दे आर नॉट एबल टू डू हाई सेल्स और हाई टिकट क्लोज नहीं कर पाते, सबका सेम ही प्रॉब्लम होता है कि वो कस्टमर को अच्छे से अंडरस्टैंड नहीं कर रहे. तो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड द कस्टमर्स रिक्वायरमेंट्स, दैट इज वन. Plus you need to speak in the customer's language. So language का मतलब ये नहीं कि आप English में बात करो, वो तो obviously आपको according to region you have to.
Global currency.
हाँ, तो वो तो I am not talking about that language, but I am talking about the words. Now for example, if I go to a healthcare client को मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी कि आपके leads आपको कॉल करते हैं सुबह आपके डॉक्टर के साथ मीटिंग बुक करने के लिए. I won't use this, ये vocabulary I won't use. To a healthcare client, I would say that आपके जो patients हैं, they are not able to book an appointment with your doctors बिकॉज आपके पास वो सेल्स का सिस्टम नहीं है ऑटोमेटेड. सो these are the words that I will use.
Like the choice of the word should be really key.
Yes, that is very important. मतलब मुझे ये लगता है that is very vital because see, we get those cases wherein people don't know कि उनको क्या चाहिए. हमें उनको बताना होता है कि आपको ये requirements हैं. तो वो आप तभी बता सकते हो when you are speaking in their language. Similarly with the real estate clients, same software में real estate को भी बेच रहे हैं जो मैं healthcare को sell दे. But to them, I would say that your leads are not getting replied, and your leads want to book a site visit with your team member, sales team member. So वो terms भी different होते हैं और सिर्फ ये words का नहीं है. It also means that you understand कि वो existing में अभी क्या use कर रहे हैं. जैसे ऐसे कौन से CRMs हैं जो वो already use कर रहे हैं. So healthcare industry client will be using some other systems. Real estate के खुद के कुछ legacy systems होते हैं जो वो use कर रहे होते हैं. So you should be aware of that too before going into a sales meeting. That is important so that you can understand their language and then speak in their language.
That's a really good way to like communicate. First knowing your customer, then knowing their issues and knowing the exact words or the language as you mentioned,
Yes.
convey the whole thing.
Right.
So like आप पहले प्रॉब्लम को समझो, फिर अपने ऑडियंस को समझो, और फिर ये समझो कि उनको आप समझा कैसे.
Yeah,
Right.
absolutely. अपना research करके भी जाओ. Brief research now you can do with so many AI tools quickly.
That's like really feasible these days.
Right.
So yeah, so anyone planning to expand or like work in different sectors could take notes from this section. Yeah, and now like as we talked about voices and languages, so I'm really waiting to ask you about Agni. Like Agni is buzzing around a lot. So could you just describe Agni for our audience?
So Agni is basically a real-time speech-to-speech engine that we have created. It is an orchestration and it can speak in more than 50 languages at once, which means that we are covering the global market and also the Indian and Asian languages. Because I'll tell you the story behind Agni.
Sure.
So last year we were at the Global AI show and one of the ministers there was a guest and he came to us and we were showing him our the previous orchestration that we had, voice engine, and he told us that Arabic जो language है उसका जो accent है that is not matching the way people really speak in the UAE. So it is not, the accent is not matching even though the grammar and everything is correct. So from there we realized that this is a very major problem, especially in Asian market and the whole of Asia actually, because लोगों के पास all these AI bots, they are centric to US market and not America के market, but they are not made for Indian clients or Asian clients or West Asia के लिए. So we researched on that and then we developed this, which can Agni is the name of that engine, and it can speak in real time. And real time as in that there's no voice pipeline models which are involved. So there are several companies जो आप देखोगे नेट पे जो बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस भी है prior to ours. So they work on voice pipeline models. So उसमें STT होता है और TTS होता है, which basically means that जो आप जैसे for example I am bot and you are speaking to me. So आपकी जो speech है वो text में मेरे पास convert होके आ रही है as a bot, and then मैं उसको text में understand करके it's going to an LLM. Then I am giving it back after understanding to you in speech. So इससे जो आपका latency होता है, latency means कि आपका कितनी speed में bot reply करता है वो भी increase हो रहा है. And because it is getting converted into text, so the emotions and the tone that is getting lost. जो जिस emotions के साथ आप बोल रहे हो वो bot को समझ नहीं आते. Like the bot is unable to understand most of the times. So we worked on all these things and we created this speech-to-speech whole workflow in which you can have like real-time conversation ताकि वो सीधा जो आप speech में बोल रहे हो वो speech में ही reply करेगा. So latency is also very high. It is less than 300 milliseconds.
Wait, 300 milliseconds.
300
not even a
milliseconds.
second.
No, it's less than 300 milliseconds. And plus the languages also we worked on so that वो जो accent है वो सही है.
So Manat, this is what I really found, and as you can see in this post, someone first commented that this certain AI is better, then they tried Agni themselves and their opinion completely changed. So my really general question is, what is Agni doing different that people are really getting crazy? They're like, this is something really new. This is something innovative which they have to try. What is Agni doing?
So that is very nice to see that people are so crazy about Agni. We are also seeing a lot of traffic on our website because people are constantly testing Agni. See, Agni caters to more than 50 languages.
50 plus.
Yes, 50 plus languages. So almost no other company in the world caters to so many languages.
Absolutely.
So when I say 50 plus, that means global languages, English, French, German, so many global languages, plus Indian languages too, Indian regional languages with their dialects.
With the dialect.
Dialects, yes.
Okay, I was a bit curious. Like dialect is completely different from accent, right?
Yes, so we are catering to accents also and dialects too. Plus, if you test Agni, you will be able to see that she is able to reply even in South Delhi accent.
Oh, okay. Particular region wise, as well.
Region wise too. So that is something that we have worked on. Like I already told you the story behind it.
Yeah.
So that is what we were working for last almost 1 year now, 8 months to 1 year. And this is what we have developed.
It's really impressive. It
Yes.
would be really nice if you could show a demo of Agni to our audience, if that's possible.
Yeah, I'll definitely show also to let you know that the latency is less than 300 milliseconds.
Okay, 300 milliseconds. That
Yeah.
means not even a second, if I'm correct with my
Yes,
maths.
it's less than 300 milliseconds.
I guess it's faster than a blink or something.
Yes, and it has emotional intelligence also, which means that if a customer is angry, for example, then the AI is going to understand the customer who is angry and speak to that customer in a calm manner.
Okay, so
So-
understanding the mood and everything.
Yes, it can laugh and cry during the conversation. So if you tell her to laugh, she should be able to laugh during the call. So all those kinds of emotions we have built.
I guess now the audience and
Yes.
I both are really eager to meet Agni. If you could just test it out or just show us a
I will
demo.
show you.
Hey, I'm so glad you're here. I'm Maya. I'm with Agni by Raven.ai. So before I do anything else, tell me about you. What's going on? What brought you here?
माया, आप हिंदी में बात करके दिखा सकते हो?
अरे बिल्कुल, मैं हिंदी में बात कर सकती हूँ। कैसे हैं आप? और
मैं ऐसे ना मजा नहीं आ रहा आपकी बात सुनने में. आप साउथ दिल्ली वाले एक्सेंट में बात करके दिखा सकते हो जैसे साउथ दिल्ली वाले लोग बात करते हैं?
Oh my god, done. No worries, yeah. So, like, tell me
That's
what's on your
really
mind.
the accent,
You want to
right?
talk about like work or like something else entirely? I'm like totally up for anything. What's the vibe?
माया, बताओ आज आप क्या कर रहे हो?
Oh, nothing much, yeah. Just like chilling, talking to people like you, and like,
अच्छा माया, अब आप तमिल में बात करके दिखा सकते हो?
ஆமாம் என்னால் தமிழில் பேச முடியும். எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? உங்களுக்கு என்ன உதவி தேவை? சொல்லுங்க, நான் உங்களுக்காக காத்திருக்கேன்.
अच्छा माया, बंगाली में बात करके दिखाओ.
হ্যাঁ, আমি বাংলায় কথা বলতে পারি। কেমন আছেন? আর
Okay, Maya, now act as a professional agent. Like, for example, you're working in a bank in the UK and you have to speak in British accent and you are doing an onboarding call for a customer who has registered.
Good morning. I'm Maya, calling from Barclays. We're absolutely delighted to welcome you as a new customer. I'm just touching base to ensure everything is set up correctly and to answer any questions you might have about.
So this is how she can talk.
This was just amazing. I don't know Tamil, but I am sure she was absolutely right because the tone she was speaking and the way.
Right.
So when I visited South India, so it was similar to that. That's quite really impressive.
That is exactly what we have trained on. So different languages with emotion. I did not show you how she can laugh. Do you want to test that?
Sure, you can
Yeah,
check that
I'll
out.
show you how she can laugh during the conversation. Plus, there are a lot of more features that we have added into this. So one feature is that she can transfer the call. So if you want to transfer it to a human agent when they're very interested, or if it is a hot lead, then she can understand that he interested her client and then it can transfer it to a human agent. That is one feature that we have. The other that we have is appointment booking. So if you want to book an appointment in real time, so she can check the calendar availability of a human and then
support.
Yes, it can give
Oh.
some slots from the calendar of that human agent to the customer, and then the customer को बोल सकती है, are you available on Monday 11 a.m. 4 p.m. So that way she can book the appointment. Plus again फिर वो confirm और slot को book कर देगी inside the human agent's calendar. So उसको block भी कर देगी
Oh,
slot
so
को.
like scheduling and everything could be taken care by our grades.
Yes, and with that she can do a lot of things. So she can be on Omni channel. So if you want Agni or Maya to send like a WhatsApp brochure to the client while talking. So like I was talking to her, if I tell her to send a brochure to me on WhatsApp, she can do that. You can ask her to send her email, SMS, anywhere that is possible. That we
So,
built for our.
It could act as your complete employee, like receiving, sending text, and installing a meetings and everything.
Yes, exactly. So for enterprises, we built that kind of system, which is like whole end-to-end solution. जहाँ पे whatever name they give to Agni, like they can give Maya or any other name. So that assistant is everywhere.
Okay.
She's on their website. She can talk to visitors who are coming on the website. She can be on their applications. She can call those people. तो वो same उसका voice, name, everything, characteristics, personality सब same रहता है. But she can communicate on Omni channel.
So
Yeah.
that's really interesting.
I'll give you the demo of how she can laugh.
Sure.
Hi. Oh, I'm so glad you're here. I'm Maya. I'm with Agni.
Maya,
I'm
आप हंस के दिखा सकते हो मुझे? How would you laugh?
Okay, fair. That's a fair question. I deserve that. But yeah, I mean, I can laugh. I can have fun. It's part of being human, right? My laugh might be a little different than yours, but it's still real.
So she can even laugh.
Sounded real, like
Yes.
okay. Manat, now I have a really important question. I just came out through our conversation that like you mentioned so many features that are like really useful and which could be really used by enterprises and like big corporates or even a business owner or any person operating on any set of systems. So if a person belonging from an audience wants to get a lead or wants to purchase it for their websites, what's the process? Or is it a bit difficult and hectic, or is there a smooth process so that people can connect to your team and get it?
Yeah, so right now on our website we have APIs that we are providing of Agni. So they can go on the website and then they can sign up there. Also, you can also book a meeting with our support team, and they can, even the sales team, and they can help you out with whatever your requirements are.
Okay, so I guess Lavhan.ai provides assistance with like complementing any kind of services or
Yes.
necessity.
Yes, we have 24/7 support because, like you said, that we work across time zones, so we have 24/7 support.
That's really great. So if I am managing a business and I get a query at 12 or something, so I can get your support team to help me out. So that's really impressive. So, Manat, coming to the end of the podcast, this was a really lovely conversation with you. I just have a last question, and it would be likely if there is a person, and today's time, he wants to start at the base, like at the age of 20. There is like so much AI and everything. So, what would you advise, or what would you personally do at this stage to like go as to get something like that?
See, I think if you want to understand AI and then build something on that, so I have already answered that there are 3 ways that you can do it. Either you white label or do you go for sales with some company. So that is something that you can do. But otherwise, I would say that first skill that you have to have in this era is prompt engineering. So you understand how to write prompts, because even if you are not going into AI industry, आपको still इतना पता होना चाहिए कि आप prompts कैसे लिख सकते हो and how you can use AI in your daily, everyday life. So that is something that you should learn. That is my advice. Other than that, see, you should always keep on learning. There are so many things that I learned from AI, because when I started, I knew nothing. मुझे sales नहीं आता था, marketing नहीं आती थी. मुझे लीगल चीज़ों के बारे में नहीं पता था, taxation, nothing I knew about business and other things. So it was through AI and of course by meeting people too that you gain knowledge, and plus you experience things, आपको वो knowledge आप collect करते हो. So AI has contributed a lot for me to learn all these things, and today I understand sales also, marketing, hiring, all these kinds of product development, legal, taxes, everything I'm able to do by myself, most of it. At least I can supervise all those tasks, right? So that is because of AI. So you work with AI, you do some courses. There are so many good courses, prompt engineering, KB, even OpenAI, Anthropic, all these companies, they are providing you a lot of resources जिससे आप prompt engineering सीख सकते हो. So you can go for that. And yeah, and one more thing that I like to say is that use Claude Code, use anti-gravity, but Claude Code might be better for you. So use that, build a software, and then use AI to help you design the sales structure and marketing structure, and then you can probably start a business.
So like AI can be your helping hand.
Yes, so AI can help you design कि आपको उसको कैसे आपकी जो go to market strategy है वो आप कैसे कर सकते हो, आप sell कैसे कर सकते हो उसकी strategy. Plus you can build a product like a software, a SaaS, using AI too. So you get the product plus the plan to sell it. So everything using AI.
So you have got a business founder or co-founder with you at the age of AI.
Yeah, absolutely. और वो आपको हर चीज में help कर रहा है. But what you have to understand is that you are learning with it. आप उसके साथ समझ रहे हो चीजों को and you are adapting new technology. Because in AI, every day you get something new. So you have to adapt to it. It is not कि आपकी जो prior knowledge है सिर्फ आपको वही useful होगी. आपको every day you have to learn. There are so many new things which will come your way, which may be more cost effective पहले से for your business. So you need to adapt to it.
Sure. Thank you, Vandan, for sharing your time. And to our audience, she was Vandan, multitasker as her AI Agni. And so this was the conversation with Vandan today. You can surely like the video, subscribe to the channel, drop down any queries or questions in the comment section, and you can also comment down whom would you like to see as the next guest. Thank you for it.
Thank you, Raksha. Thank you.